Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 404 Gurnofa. Our project title is Declare Clinic. My name is SHAMIMI binti MUSTAFAKAMAL.
My name is ANNUR AYUNI binti AZMAN.
My name is INSYIRAH binti MOHAMAD AZMIN. My name is FATIN ASHIFA binti ABDULALIM.
For purpose project summary, the smart appointment scheduling system is C++-based tool for managing appointment in small to medium-sized clinic. It features a user-friendly, text-based interface that allows staff to efficiently add, view, and organize appointment while preventing scheduling errors. For key features include collecting client details like name, treatment, and time slot, preventing overlapping bookings, checking daily schedule, and adding appointments. The system can handle up to 10 appointments per day. For future improvement, our purpose for larger clinic, including scalability and enhanced user interface functionality. This project focuses on accuracy, reliability, and simplicity while identifying potential upgrade.
This system is created with 4 main objectives. Number 1 is to implement a smart appointment. Number 2, to handle appointment details. Number 3, avoid overbooking in appointments. And number 4, to facilitate appointment viewing.
Now, I will explain about the analysis of this project. The input is client name, service type, and preferred time slot. The process is check if the daily appointment limit 10 has been reached. The second one is verify if the selected time slot is available to prevent double bookings. If valid, store the appointment detail such as client name, service type, time slot in an array. The output is confirm if the appointment is successfully scheduled, get a message if the schedule is full or the time slot is already booked. Provide the daily schedule listing of the client names, service type, and time slot.
Next, I will present the pseudocode. The system has 3 main options. Number 1, scheduling an appointment. Number 2, view all appointment. And number 3, exit the system. Step 1, scheduling an appointment. The system allows up to 10 appointments per day. Clients can choose from 6 services, including scaling and polishing. They need to provide their name, select a service, and choose a time slot between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Validation. If the time slot is invalid or already booked, the system prompts the client to pick another time. Once valid, the appointment is confirmed and the service count is updated. Step 2, viewing appointment. If appointment exists, the system displays each client's name, selected service, and time slot. Otherwise, it informs the user that no appointments are scheduled. Step 3, exiting and summary. Upon exiting, the system provides a summary of all services and their respective counts for the day. This system ensures efficient appointment scheduling, avoids double booking, and provides a clear overview of daily operation.
For user option, the system offers 3 key options catering to the user needs. First, schedule a new appointment, the main function of the system. Second, view existing appointment to stay updated on booking. 3, exit the system for a seamless closing experience. These options are clear, straightforward, and ensure user can navigate effortlessly. For scheduling an appointment, they focus on option 1. Appointment limit check. If all 10 slots are already booked, the system immediately notifies the user no more appointment can be scheduled today. For client name and service, the user provides their name and select a service to avoid errors, and the system validates that the service match the predefined list.
For the time slot validation, user input a time in a 24 hours format, such as 090049 am. The system checks whether hour range, the time must be between 8 to 18. The minute range should be between 00 and 59. The complete check, the system ensures no overlapping booking. If a slot is already booked, the user receives this message, such as time slot already booked, please choose a different time. Once all validation pass, the system confirm and will receive a message appointment successfully scheduled. This process is robust and ensures fairness, accuracy, and client satisfaction. Number 4, viewing appointments. If the user select option 2, they can view all appointments. If no appointment exists, the system politely states no appointment scheduled for today. Otherwise, it displays all the details including client names, service, and time slot in an organized format. The last one is exiting the system. When the user chooses option 3, the system exits with a friendly message, exiting the system, have a great day.
Now I will explain about the source code. The program uses the IO stream library for input and output operation and string for handling client name and service type. Next, we will declare constant and variable. For constant, we define limit for appointment and service. Array like client name, service type, and time slot are used to store data about appointment. Available service hold the name of service offered. Service count keep track of the number of time each service is booked, and then for this part, a do while loop is used to repeatedly show the menu until the user chooses to exit. This part to add the appointment. The program checks if the maximum number of appointments has been reached. If yes, it skips to the next iteration of the loop using continue. Next, we will input the client name and service. The getLine function allows for capturing the client name including space. The program displays available service and prompt the user to input the available service. If the available service is wrong, it will notify the user and skip to the next iteration of the loop using continue. Next, we input time slot and validate the time slot. The time slot is validated to ensure user input the time slot between 8 and 18 and is in 24-hour format. If the selected time slot is already booked, the program notifies the user. And then the program saves the appointment details, increment the current appointment, and update the service count.
For choice number 2, viewing appointment. When the user selects view appointment, if no appointments exist, the system displays no appointment scheduled for today. Otherwise, it lists all appointments in order, showing the client's name, selected service, and their time slots. If a user inputs an invalid menu option, the system prompts invalid choice, please try again. For the last choice, choice number 3, exiting and summary. When the user exits, the system displays a summary of services, including the total number of clients for each service that day. At the end, a friendly message, we hope to see you again, stay safe and have a wonderful day. This flow ensures user can easily manage appointments and review the day statistics while maintaining a user-friendly experience.
First, we run the program. There are 3 choices. Let's say client choose number 1. The system requires client to enter their name. After that, there are 6 available services. The client choose number 1, which is scaling. Then, they have to enter the time slot, for example, like 8:25. Then, it will display appointments successfully scheduled. If client enter choice number 2, it will display appointment that client has made.
The user need to enter their choice by selecting a number from 1 to 3. If the user enter the number 4, it will consider invalid, and they must try again by entering a valid number such as 1. After choosing a valid option, the user will see a list of available service numbered from 1 to 6. If the user enters an invalid number, such as 7, they will need to restart the entire process from the beginning and choose a valid option. For the appointment time, it must be scheduled between 8 AM to 6 PM.
That's all from us.
Thank you.